Hey, what's going on? Welcome back. Dave here at Brett's RV and Marine in Missoula, Montana with another walkthrough video. This is a 2023 Ember RV Overland Series. This is the 170 MRB. Let's get started.
And first of all, we're going to start in the front here. You will notice that there's a Versacoupler hitch. This is adjustable to the height of your vehicle. You'll also notice up front we have storage compartments. This holds your two 20-pound propane tanks. There's also additional storage on the other side. Coming around here, there's the normal pass-through storage that you'll find on most travel trailers. Underneath that is the Lippert quick drop stabilizers. Next to the quick drop stabilizer is the Lippert solid step. This folds up easily into the camper. Moving over here, you'll notice a unique full independent suspension system. There's also an emergency brake that this swings over to the tire, puts pressure on, keeps your trailer from rolling away, but it also prevents somebody from stealing because it is lockable as well. Moving back here is another storage compartment that has your outdoor grill. Out back, you'll see that there's an accessory hitch already installed, spare tire with matching custom rims and off-road tires. This is prepped for a camera. And this also has a telescopic ladder that attaches up at the top there. Now inside the Ember, right to the right, you'll notice that there's a Murphy bed setup. This couch drops down quickly, and then this latch will bring down your main bed and folds right back up when you're done. You'll also notice above, they call this the Stargazer window. So this is a nice double pane acrylic window for when you're laying in bed looking at the stars. Over here is an additional sleeping option. So it's a couch that also folds into a bed. And there's also storage underneath as well. Across from the couch is the kitchen area. The nice large basin sink here. Cover for added counter space. You'll notice a lot of storage throughout here as well. Between all the cabinets and drawers, overhead as well. Plenty of space to put a lot of your kitchen items. This unit comes with a microwave, 2-burner cooktop. Here is your 8-foot electric 12-volt refrigerator. Storage continues above the couch with overheads all throughout this wall. TV here, and then this is the bathroom, which you'll find is very spacious. Big shower with a shower miser system. You'll also notice even more storage back here as well that's either hanging or stackable storage. A couple more unique features that Ember comes with is a 5-sided aluminum, all welded construction. Within this, they have no wood in any of their structural components. Besides the hardwood cabinetry, everything in here is composite. They also come with standard solar package that is upgraded to a max solar system, which comes with 3 panels, a 3,000 watt inverter, and allows you to operate everything off-grid, including the AC and microwave.
Well, there you go. For more information on this unit or others here at Brett's RV, check out brettsrv.com or click the link below this video. Until next time, I'm Dave. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Adios. One final note, if you are in the market for a new vehicle soon, great. Connect with your local dealership and price and test drive at least 3 different vehicles. A vehicle's strengths and weaknesses can only be discovered when you are behind the wheel. My reviews can be good, but you need to test drive these yourself. Visit quotes.everymandriver.com, select the make, model, and your zip code, and you'll get invoice pricing in your area on those vehicles. Shop smarter with price quotes at quotes.everymandriver.com.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time.